In this lesson, we'll be exploring complex extruded cuts by creating a pocket. We're going to use this surface, choose the normal 2 view, select Sketch, then Rectangle, and let's draw a rectangle right here. Now select the Line tool, and let's draw a free shape. Okay, let's exit the sketch using the confirmation corner. Now, as you notice, we didn't define our sketch this time, and that's because SolidWorks allows you to manipulate undefined sketches. Now let's select Extrude Cut, Isometric View, and this time we're going to select Blind from the Direction 1 drop-down menu. You can specify the dimension by dragging the handle up and down, or by simply inserting a value in this text field. Let's say 25 millimeters. Okay, press Enter. Looks pretty good. Accept your changes, and now we have a pocket. Okay, let's make some changes to this sketch. Right-click, select Edit Sketch. Let's drag the corner, reshaping this rectangle. Let's drag this corner, and this one too, maybe. Okay, select the Auto Dimension tool. We can choose all entities in the sketch or selected entities. Click OK. Exit the sketch, and now our pocket has a different shape.